करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ सी हियर स्टूडेंट, हाँ listen, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid means CHO, CO and COOH. First of all, I am talking about aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone both are the group of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound means carbon atom. One carbon atom attached to the oxygen atom is with double bond, and remaining two valencies left in the carbon. In the carbonyl compound, carbon and oxygen double bond, that is C double bond O, is present, which is known as a carbonyl group. This is known as a carbonyl group. We remember in aldehyde and ketone both are the derivative of the carbonyl group, means C double bond O, and there are valency. In carbon, two valency are free, means two valency are free. In carbonyl group, the carbon and oxygen link with by double bond, carbon and oxygen. Both the remaining valency of the carbon are two vacant, means in the carbon have two valencies vacant, but carbon with oxygen maintain the double bond. You already know about the carbon have a 4 seat. Carbon have a 4 seat. Then 2 seat is already full in the oxygen. Remaining 2 seat is vacant. If one valency, means if one of two of them, one valency is carbonyl carbon linked with alkyl or aryl group, या तो alkyl या aryl group, and other with hydrogen. If one of the valency is alkyl or aryl and one is hydrogen, then the compound is formed aldehyde. I repeat again here. If one of the valency of carbonyl group attach alkyl or allyl, means here alkyl or allyl, but one is fixed is hydrogen, then the form compound is the aldehyde. If both the free valency alkyl or allyl group are connected, that is known as a ketone. मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि इस कार्बन के पास 2 सीटें फ्री हैं, अगर दोनों में एल्काइल या एराइल ग्रुप अटैच है, इसकी मीनिंग है कि वो कीटोन है। लेकिन इन दोनों में से किसी एक में एल्काइल और एराइल फिट है और एक फिक्स है हाइड्रोजन, तो क्या होगा? एल्डिहाइड होगा। अगर दोनों में हाइड्रोजन है तो क्या हो जाएगा? फॉर्मल्डिहाइड। दिस इज द एक्सेप्शनल केस. One is an exceptional case. In this carbon there are 2 CDs vacant. If one is the alkyl or aryl, means aromatic में भी हो सकता है, aliphatic भी हो सकता है, लेकिन one is H, then the compound is formed is aldehyde. That group is a aldehyde. But if both is the aliphatic या aromatic compound, then the form is the ketone. If both have a hydrogen, then form aldehyde. आगे समझ